A pressure washer makes cleaning cars, driveways, decks, and siding faster and easier. One tip before we start. For washing cars, stick to models under 1,800 pounds per square inch to avoid damaging your paint. Today, I'm ranking the 8 best pressure washers of 2026, from cordless and electric models to heavy-duty gas units, based on hands-on testing. Links are in the description and updated regularly. Let's get into it. Opening at number 8, the Westinghouse EPX 3500. The performance and testing sat right in the car washing sweet spot, powerful enough to remove dirt and grime effectively without the pressure levels that risk paint damage. The water flow rate was consistent throughout testing, which matters for even cleaning coverage across panels without hot spots and pressure drops. The compact for its class build with integrated storage locations for every accessory keeps hoses, nozzles, and the gun organized and ready rather than tangled on the ground. The out-of-box assembly requirement is worth knowing before purchase. This unit requires meaningful assembly before first use. Once assembled, however, it feels solid and stable throughout operation. The friendly price point is the other practical advantage. It gets the job done at a cost that makes entry-level pressure washing accessible. For buyers who want a no-frills electric pressure washer that handles car washing and light-duty cleaning tasks at an accessible price, the Westinghouse EPX 3500 is a safe choice. Number 7 is the Sunjo SPX 3000. The SPX 3000 is one of the top-selling pressure washers on Amazon, and that commercial success creates high expectations going into testing. The honest result? It doesn't perform poorly, but nothing stands out either. The included tip variety covers the range of spray patterns needed for different cleaning tasks. The operation is quiet relative to most pressure washers, a meaningful practical advantage for early morning or neighborhood-considerate use. Setup and operation are straightforward and beginner-accessible. The performance limitation is the pressure output. The PSI isn't powerful enough to complete most serious power washing tasks, limiting the SPX 3000 to lighter-duty applications. For car washing specifically, the lower pressure is actually an advantage rather than a drawback. It keeps the output safely in the car-safe range without risk of paint damage. For buyers who specifically need a car washer and prioritize ease of use and quiet operation over raw cleaning power, the Sunjo SPX 3000 serves that purpose reliably. At number 6, the PowerPlay Spider Pro 2700. Standard-wheeled pressure washers roll in 2 directions, forward and backward. The Spider Pro's 4-wheel 360-degree steering follows you in any direction you're moving, eliminating the repositioning and dragging that standard 2-wheel designs require when you change direction during a cleaning run. The ultra-compact chassis and reduced center of gravity design also eliminate the machine tip-over that occurs with taller, top-heavy pressure washer designs when the hose pulls at an angle. The 2,700 pounds per square inch maximum power and 1.3 gallons per minute induction motor delivers serious cleaning capability for driveways, siding, and outdoor surfaces. Note that this power level is above the car-safe threshold, so use the appropriate nozzle and distance for automotive applications. The GFCI plug provides the safety protection that outdoor electrical equipment requires. For buyers who want the most maneuverable wheeled pressure washer on this list, alongside a complete professional accessory kit, the Spider Pro earns its recommendation. Number 5 is the Ego Power plus HPW 3200. The peak power technology combines two 56-volt ARC lithium batteries to deliver up to 3,200 pounds per square inch, the highest output of any cordless unit on this list, and competitive with corded electric models at this power level. 3 operating modes, Eco, High, and Turbo, allow power management for different tasks and battery conservation when maximum pressure isn't needed. Up to 60 minutes of runtime with two 6.0 ampere-hour ARC lithium batteries covers substantial cleaning sessions without recharging interruption. The siphon hose enables drawing water from any freshwater source, a lake, a bucket, or a rain barrel, without requiring a garden hose connection, which extends the portability advantage of cordless operation to genuinely remote locations. The kit includes everything you need, with 5 nozzles, a foam cannon, and multiple hoses. A telescopic handle and compatibility with all Ego 56-volt batteries add extra convenience. Top 4 now, and the Worx Nitro 40-volt HydroShot. No power cord, no hose connection required. Fill a bucket with water, draw from a stream or pool, or connect to a garden hose when available. The HydroShot's siphon capability means you can pressure wash truly anywhere, including locations where neither power outlets nor garden hose connections exist. For car shows, camping, boat launches, and remote properties, that versatility is uniquely valuable. The honest performance reality. The 800 PSI claim is optimistic. Testing recorded a maximum of 450 PSI. That's below what's needed for serious power washing tasks, but it's perfectly appropriate for car washing where staying under 1,800 pounds per square inch protects paint. For buyers who specifically need true cordless portability, no power cord, no fixed water connection, the Worx Nitro 40-volt HydroShot is the best option tested. The bronze medal goes to the Westinghouse WPX 3200 gas. The WPX 3200 produced 3,000 pounds per square inch in testing, the highest confirmed output of any unit tested. At that pressure level, it handles tasks that electric pressure washers struggle with: stripping stains from concrete, blasting grease from driveways, cleaning decades of grime from siding, and any application where maximum pressure is the primary requirement. The gas engine eliminates the power cord limitation. You're not restricted by outlet proximity or extension cord length, enabling cleaning around the full perimeter of a property without repositioning. The motor's reliability is worth monitoring over extended use. We'll update if issues arise, but initial testing showed admirable performance. The solid tires are a functional choice, though we'd prefer air-filled. Solid tires don't puncture but absorb ground vibration less effectively during transport. For serious cleaning power at maximum pressure in a gas-powered package, the WPX 3200 is the pick. Number 2 is the Chemical Guys ProFlow PM 2000. Chemical Guys built their brand around automotive detailing chemistry. Their cleaning products, foam cannons, and car care tools are standard in the enthusiast community. The PM 2000 reflects that community-specific engineering. Compact, portable, appropriately powered for car washing, and designed around the automotive detailing workflow rather than general DIY yard use. The updated design addresses the leak issues found in the first-generation model, the improvement the original version needed. The new removable plastic organizer holds cords, hoses, and nozzles together in one organized unit, rather than requiring separate management of multiple accessories. For automotive enthusiasts who want a pressure washer built around their specific use case from a brand whose detailing products they already trust, the Chemical Guys PM 2000 is the most relevant recommendation on this list. And the best pressure washer of 2026 is the Greenworks True Brushless Electric. The performance claim is 3,000 pounds per square inch. In testing, the actual output reached 2,600 pounds per square inch. That's the honest number, and it's the highest confirmed output of any electric pressure washer we tested. For an electric machine, that power level is genuinely impressive and closes the gap with gas-powered alternatives in a way that previous electric pressure washers couldn't claim credibly. The brushless motor is the engineering foundation that enables this power from an electric platform. Brushless motors operate more efficiently, generate less heat, last longer, and deliver more consistent power output under load than standard brushed motors. For every application where a corded electric machine's power ceiling is what matters, the True Brushless delivers the most impressive electric pressure washing performance tested. That's your ranked list of the 8 best pressure washers of 2026. Links are in the description and updated regularly. If this video helped, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.